Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be updating our rice binder. These are all the photo cards that we have. There are about 200 photo cards here, and I am so excited because we're going to be completing a lot of our target collection in this video. And then while I don't have all the rising photo card, we are already done with that one as well. So we're already ready for the next comeback. So let me get the binder and we'll start with the binder update. Let me put the photo cards on the side first, and then we'll start with the updating of the binder. Okay, so this is my binder. So if you're new to the channel, I am using a 2.5-inch binder and it's already full. As you can see, we're already planning of purchasing a second binder for rice, and we're probably going to be splitting this because this includes some of our duplicate photo cards. Okay, so we'll do some sort of a quick flip through so that if you are new to the channel, you'll be able to see our collection as well. So as you can see, the get a guitar era is already done, and then these are some of the collaboration photo card from Baskin and Robbins. And then still some pre-order benefit and some collaboration photo cards here. And then we also have the season's greeting. So I am an OT7 collector if you haven't seen or if you haven't watched any of my video. So these are some of the merchandise for the Pink Christmas. And then we're gonna start here. As you can see, we're still missing Unsok and Wonbin here. So for the 2024 Season's Greeting MD trading cards, we have a couple of photo cards. We're gonna be completing this today, by the way. Okay. So these are the remaining photo cards that we haven't put in on our binder. We have Unsok there. Wonbin, this is quite expensive actually. We have Shotaro, and then another Wonbin photo card that I have to buy it because it completes our collection, but it's on the pricier side. So we'll start with this set number 3 for this merchandise. So we have here Unso and then Wonbin. Okay, nice. So we already complete this page. And then for the other one, we have this one. This is the version B. We have Shotaro and Wonbin here. So for the version B, these are the photo cards. Here you go. And then we have Shotaro and Wonbin. So we're actually missing just 2 members for this particular set. Shotaro, and then we have one. There you go. So nice. So we are already done with the 2024 Season's Greeting MD trading cards. And then our next is the pop-up. Okay, so the Rise Up at Seoul pop-up store. We already completed the set 1. I think we're still missing Shotaro and Sohi for the version or the second set. Let me show you guys the photo cards that we're going to be updating for this one. Okay, so these are all the photo cards that we have. As you can see, there are a lot, but this actually complete our collection. I purchased most of the photo cards here in Mercari Japan. I'm using Remambo as a third-party proxy provider to allow me to purchase directly from Mercari Japan site. Okay, so Shotaro here, and then Sohi. So we have Shotaro, and then Sohi. Nice. So that completes this page. And then for the version A set 4, we're still missing. Oh no, this is a different. Oh, this is the duplicate. Okay. So we already have that one. I'll just put it on the side and then put it on our duplicate page. So we're missing Shotaro. And then we have here Unsok and Wonbin. There we go. Nice. Okay. So I can believe that we are already going on our second binder for Rice, considering they are a fairly new group, but we love collecting them. So aside from Rice, as if you're not new to the channel, you know that I am a collector of treasure photo cards as well. So they are the two biggest collection that I have. So we have Shotaro there that completes the set 1 for version B. And then we have a bunch of photo card missing here for the set 2. Let's remove the filler. If you're wondering regarding the icon of my filler, basically those are the members emojis. That's why I'm using them as a design for my filler. Okay, there you go. And then for the set 3, we're still missing Wonbin here and Anton. So I told you we'll be completing a lot of the collection today. There you go. Nice. Okay, so we're done with that one. And then for the set 4 version B, we're still missing Unsuk and Sunchan here in this page. Nice. And then on the last part of this set, we have the Makni line. Okay, we have Wonbin, Sohee, and Anton. There you go. So that completes the Rise Up at Seoul photo card set. So now let's move on to the next one. So these are some transport card that I have. We also have here some photo cards and then their collaboration with Etude. And then some other pre-order benefit from Love 119. Okay, I think I'm still missing one more for the Valentine's Days. And that's just Wonbin's photo card. So we have that already here. Nice. Okay, so we'll complete this set as well today. There you go. Okay. And then for the Rise FanCon Rising Day trading photo card, we are missing a bunch here. Actually, we're missing a lot. But I think we already completed that as well. So let me show you all the photo cards. So these are all the photo cards for that merchandise. So we have here the photo card. So there are 2 concept photo cards and 1 selfie photo card for the Rising Day version A. These are the selfie photo cards. There you go. And then for the version B, there is also another set of concept photo cards. And then the instead of a selfie, they did a baby photo card. So these are the baby photo cards. Really, really nice. There you go. So I didn't know which one is version 1 or version A. So version A and version B. So we'll just play by the ear here. So I'll put this one as version A. And then I'll put this as version B. And then this will be the version A. And then I'll put this one on version B. By the way, for the set A, this is the back. Really, really nice. Okay. Let me flip this over. There we go. So then we have here Sunchan, Wonbin. So we'll be completing this collection as well. And then Anton. So we have here Sunchan. This will be the version A that we're going to be declaring. Then we have Wonbin. And then we'll put this as version B. And then we have Anton. Oops. So we have Anton here. Okay, there you go. For this one, the version B, we'll just put this photo cards as the version B concept photo cards. Okay. Then we have here Sohi and Anton. There you go. And then for this version A, or the rice version, there are selfie photo cards. And these are the selfie photo cards. So we have here Shotaro's PC, we have Unsuk, Sunchan, Wonbin, Sohi, and lastly we have Anton there. There you go. Okay, so then we'll proceed with the baby rice version. So similar, we'll declare a cons or the version A as this one. I'm not really sure if there are version A or version B. That's why we're just playing it by the ear. By the way, for the version B, this is the back. There you go. So we have Sunchan here. And then we have Wonbin. And then Sohi. And lastly, Anton. Okay. For the version B, this one. And then we'll remove the fillers here. By the way, this is going to be a very long video. So feel free to fast forward if you feel that you want to look at specific, just a specific collection. But if not, it's nice that you're going to be watching the whole thing. So this is the baby rice version, the baby photo cards. So we have here, I just want to show you guys this one. We have here Shotaro, and then we have there Unsuk, Sunchan, Wonbin, Sohi, and then we have it there Anton. There you go. Okay, and then the next three. There you go. Okay, I think that ends our binder update for the previous merchandise and comeback. It means we are already real time with that one. Now we're going to be updating the latest comeback, which is the first mini album Rising. I really want to do this binder update because they already dropped their next repackage, the Rising epilogue, and there are a lot of photo cards in that particular release. So I'm really excited that I'm already done with Rising, although some of the photo cards haven't arrived yet, but basically we are already complete with this one. Okay, we'll start with the photo book version. So there are three photo book version, the Boom Boom Base, the Impossible, and Rising Day. And each of the photo book have one set of photo cards. So we'll start with the Boom Boom Base. Then let's remove Anton here. There you go. Okay, so for the Boom Boom Base, these are the photo cards. There you go. These are the 6 photo cards. And then this is the photo card version with the orange back. Okay. So we are putting it in our binder in an age order, starting with Sohi, our eldest, up to Anton, our maknae. There you go. Next is the Impossible version. So for the Impossible version, These are the photo cards. And then this is the one with the yellow back. Nice. Okay, let's remove our fillers. There you go. Okay, next and the last version for the photo book is the Rising Day. So these are the photo cards. And this is the one with the black back. Okay. I have Shotaro here. And then Unsok. Sunshan. This is the last photo card that I purchased for this particular set. I don't know, it's quite hard looking for this particular photo card. There you go. Okay, the next one, aside from the photo book version, Rise also released their SM Mini in SM Standard. They always release a SM Mini for their artists. So for Rise, there's one set of photo card for SM Mini, and these are the photo cards. There you go. And this one is the one with this really cool back. Nice. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next page. I think I'm not sure, but I saw the version for the next comeback, which is the repackage. They usually do a repackage for SM artists. So for the repackage, they don't have an SM Mini, I think. They have a travel bag version. There's of course the photo book version is there. There's a cassette version, but I don't see any SM Mini for that particular release. Next is the collect book. So for the collect book, this is quite easy to collect. If you buy a collect book, you are assured to get one set of photo cards, and there's three set. So this is the first one, or the version A. This is the version B, and then this is, sorry, including this one, and this is the version C. There you go. Okay, so let's start with the version A. I really like when albums include one complete set, so it's easier to collect. Although this is random, so there's still chances of you pulling a duplicate set. But for me, when I bought this one, I only bought a couple of collect book, and I was able to pull all the version at once. There you go. For the version B, this these are photo cards that I really like in terms of concept. I forgot to show you the back. This is the color of the back. It's really nice. There you go for version B. And then for version C, There you go. So that completes our collect book photo cards. Next is the photo pack. So they also release a member specific photo pack, and in that you are there's a one set photo card, but it's a random photo card that you will be able to pull. So there are, I know there are three for there are this are random photo card, and there are three set. So it's a little bit difficult to collect for this one. So if you could see, these are the first set. So we have here Shotaro, Unsuk, Wonbin, Sohi, and Anton. So this is the first set. Aside from the random photo card, 1 out of 15, there's also 12 image card for this particular merch. 12 image card, and I think you can get 5 in each pack. So it means you need to purchase multiple photo pack in order for you to complete. But there's no assurance because it's completely random as well. So what I did is, when I purchased 4 set of photo pack. Then once I completed them, I basically just purchased the other one. Sorry, we're not complete yet here. We're still missing Sunchan. I already purchased it, by the way, but it hasn't arrived yet. So we'll put back the filler for Sunchan. It was an issue with my Mercari purchase. I actually purchased both the missing Sunchan photo card for this photo pack, but the seller sent me a different set of photo card from Sunshine. That's why we're still missing it. Since I can't return them, what I did is I just purchased another one. So it will be part of our next Mercari Japan haul. I removed Sunshine. Let's put it back. There you go. Okay. As I mentioned a while ago, while we are still waiting for some of the photo card to arrive in my address, we are complete already with this Rising collection, and we are now ready to start collecting the Rising Epilogue comeback, or the repackaged version. There you go. And then for the pack C, or the the third set, we are still missing one there. Anton's photo card. That one I waited for it to drop in terms of price. It's quite expensive for an album photo card, but since it was the last one that I was missing, I decided to just purchase it in order for me to complete and be ready for the next comeback. So we're just missing this one. There you go. Okay, next is the image cards. So for this one, I need to change the our setup for this one, because I thought that there's only two version of image pack or image card. So I only set up two version here. So apparently it's 12 photo cards per member per pack. So that, and it's completely random. So what I'm gonna do is I need to add more. Let's add more here. Let's add fillers here, or our 9 pocket Ultra Pro. That's what we're using. And then instead of removing this one, I'll just completely remove this part of the binder. And then we have here the with new. I'll put it later on the next page. Okay. There you go. We'll just put Anton's photo pack version C here. And then we'll start with the image card. So for the image card, since it only allows you to get member specific per packet or per pack. What I did is I just put in a per member, like for example this one, this is Shotaro's, and then all the 12 photo cards are image card of Shotaro. So we'll start with the all this as usual. Start with Shotaro, and then all his 12 images. So these are the image card on Shotaro's photo pack. Here we go. At first, I was really scared about collecting this one because there are 12 and it's completely random. But apparently, it's easy to collect. And it's also easy to find a seller who's online seller who are selling this stuff. Some of them I purchased via Shopee. The others are via Mercari Japan. By the way, this is the back across all member. So I wish they did a member specific back so that, it looks nice in my binder, but it is what it is. There you go. That is Shotaro. And then for Unso, we're still missing 2. Actually, we're just waiting for it to arrive, but we already purchased them. So we'll do a filler here. So I created a filler for image card number 3 and number 6. So just to put the filler, the title first, and then we have 1, 2, and then the third one is this one. I am following a particular template for this image card. I'm not really sure if they are numbered, but what I did is I just followed that template. It's easy for me to look into what are my missing photo card when I'm doing specific template. That's the 6. Then we have here the 7. There you go. So those are all the photo cards or image card for Unsok. Let's now proceed to the next member, which is Sunchan. So this is our title card, and then we have here all the image cards of Sunchan. I know these are just image cards, so most probably that's why the photo are all concept. I really wish that they do some selfie photo cards as well. That's really nice. But since the title is image card, it makes sense that the photos are all concept. Okay, so that's 8. Still have 4 here. There you go. And then next is Wonbin. So this is Wonbin. If you watch my unboxing for the photo pack, I think I only pull half or less than half of Wonbins, considering I unboxed two set of photo pack on that unboxing. Wonbin rarely appear in my pulls, and considering that I am an OT6 collector, it's really difficult finding his photo card because a lot of collector really like collecting him. So even though Sohi is my bias, every time I'm doing an unboxing, I would rather like to pull Wonbin than Sohi because eventually I'll be able to purchase the other photo cards. But Wonbin sometimes kind of expensive and difficult to find. There you go. Next is my bias, Sohi. So for Sohi, this is the title card. I always do title card on my collection. because I have a lot. So it makes me at least have an idea what those where those photo card came from. So these are the photo cards for Sohi. Not photo card, image cards. There you go. Okay, there you go. Next is our last set of photo cards for the image. Again, image card, not photo cards. Last image cards for this set, we have Anton's. These are Anton's image cards. Okay, so we have here his image cards. There you go. Actually, I did a boo-boo on this particular collection. I did pull this two photo card on my unboxing, but I did a giveaway where I give some albums with image card in them. Instead of giving some of my duplicate, I accidentally gave these two photo cards away. So I have to buy these two photo cards because of that boo-boo. There you go. Okay, the next one is from this filler from before, we removed the with Mew. This is part of the pre-order benefit that we're targeting to collect. So we'll just put it here. And then these are the with Mew photo cards. Nice. And this is the back. So we're going to be updating now the photo cards from the pre-order benefit and some of their collaboration. I think I have a few pre-order benefit, some lucky draw photo cards, and then some fan sign. Okay, there you go. And now these are all the remaining photo cards that we're going to be updating. So we'll start with K-Town for You. So this is our title for our K-Town for You pre-order benefit. And these are the photo cards. Nice. So we have here Shotaro, Unsuk, Sunshan. You have Wonbin. Really like this photo card. Then we have Sohi. And then Anton. There you go. Those are the pre-order benefit from K-Town for You. Next is the pre-order benefit from Apple Music. So these are the photo cards. And this is the back. By the way, the back for the K-Town for You is a plain white one. Next is the pre-order benefit for Make Star. I really like this one. These are hollow photo cards. As you can see, it's very reflective. And then these are the backs. Next is the pre-order benefit from Soundwave. So these are the photo cards. It's almost the same concept as the with Mew, even have the same back. So we're running out of filler. We're gonna add more. Let me add a bunch and then we'll just remove it once we're done with the updating. So as you can see, I think it's time for us to add a new binder for our rice collection because it's getting full already. There you go. Next is the fan sign event for MakeStar. So these are the photo cards. And then for this one, it's almost the same as the back of the previous photo card set. For this rising comeback or this particular release, I think this is the signature pose of Wonbin. I'm seeing a lot of his photo card with this pose. It's really nice though. There you go. The next fan sign event that I have for a photo card set is the one from Soundwave. So these are the photo cards. And then for the back, it's this one. It's the same color, different design. Shotaro, Unsuk, Sunchan, Wonbin. Then we have Anton and Soy here. There you go. Sohee and Anton. Okay, next is another fan sign event. This time, this is the My Music Taste. So again, with the filler or the title. And then these are the photo cards. By the way, the back is this one, plain white. There you go. Next is the lucky draw from K-Town for You. So this is the lucky draw for K-Town for You. Again with the posing. And then for the back, it's black and white for this lucky draw event. We'll put in the title here. Some of you may be wondering because some of the YouTube creator of or doing photo card updating on their YouTube channel, they usually do just one page per one set. But I like to maximize my binder. I don't want to have a lot of blank fillers. So I do decide to have one title card and then do all the photo cards. And then just continuously updating it. Next is, this is the Rising Premier Invitation event. If you watch my Poca Market unboxing, these are the photo cards that I purchased there. Again, with the posing one bin. Really like this Sohi photo card. There you go. I wasn't planning on purchasing this, but when I saw them available as in Poca Market, you can't purchase as a set. You purchase it individual photo card. So when I was browsing, I make sure that all six photo cards are available before I check them out, and luckily they are. That's why I bought them. If not, I would probably be second guessing if I'm going to be purchasing a, just a few photo card, not the whole set. Next is another fan sign event. This one is the Manila fan sign event. So I did purchase quite a few albums, two set of albums for this fan sign. Unfortunately, I didn't win, but I really love this photo card set. So you could see, aside from it is a signed photo card at the back, it also comes with a personalized message from the member in Filipino, which is really, really nice. Okay, so by far, this is my favorite photo card set of Rice. And then the last set that we have, this is a collaboration of Rice with Bank. So these are the photo cards. It's really, really nice because it's very uniform. And it has a different color per member. I'm not really sure how they do it, but I thought it was alternate. But if you could see, Shotaro and then Unsok has the same colored back. So I'm not really sure how they do that. So you have here Shotaro, Unsok, then Sohi, and then Anton, unfortunately, will be alone on his own page here until our next merchandise or our next comeback. So we'll just remove the remaining blank filler, 9 pocket sleeve. There we go. As shown earlier, we have this extra photo card. So these are all the extra photo card that I have. I already added the other photo cards that I pulled that are duplicate here, because I don't want to do or update them here in the video. But there are a lot of photo cards here. So I do like having a lot of duplicate, because whenever I do my usual YouTube live, these are some of the photo cards that I usually give out as a giveaway, which is really, really nice. Okay, as you can see, we are already very full on this binder. So most probably uh, we're gonna be creating a second binder for our rice collection. But as of now, I'm really happy on our progress with this collection. So if you like this type of video, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you could watch me grow my rice collection. If you have any question regarding my collection, comment down below, and feel free to click the like button as well. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.